Welcome to secondopinion.ph, also known as 2.0. I'm Alex, and today we will be talking about the newest addition to the Huawei Nova series lineup, the Huawei Nova 7 that features 5 cameras, the powerful Kirin 9855G chip, 8GB of RAM, and 40-watt supercharge. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to keep watching to know if the features and price point make it worth having despite its lack of Google mobile services. Time to unbox this. Here's the ejector pin and phone case. Then we have the phone, the 40-watt supercharge, USB Type-C cord, and Type-C headphone jack adapter. Looking at the phone, we have the midsummer purple with a glossy finish and an illusion of depth, revealing a darker and lighter shade of purple when reflected by light. On the right, it has the volume rocker and power button. We don't have anything on the left because the dual SIM card tray is at the bottom along with the USB-C port, main microphone, and speakers. It doesn't have any SD card slot, and it has an interesting card tray having both SIMs back to back. On the top, we have its second microphone. It's also impressively thin and weighs only 180 grams, making it easier to grip. It has a powerful speaker that can deliver loud volume with minimal distortion but needs little improvement on high frequencies. Up front, we have a 6.53-inch OLED full-view display with 1080 by 2400 resolution. It is also certified by TÜV Rheinland, which reduces user strain over extended use. As an OLED display, it supports Huawei's always-on display. Even when screen is locked, it can display time, date, battery status, and notification count. For its security features, it has an in-display fingerprint scanner on the bottom, which I personally found a bit too low, but at least it worked fine and was pretty quick unlocking the phone. It also has facial recognition, and I didn't have any issues with it as well, even when in the dark. The top left of the screen houses the 32-megapixel front camera. It was actually made a lot smaller compared to the other models. Sometimes you won't even notice it's there. On top of that, it also has the latest Super Night Selfie 3.0 and 4K selfie video and video beautification. The photos were more true to their colors in favorable lighting, however in low light, selfies can be a bit overcorrected or over-beautified. On the back, it has the 64-megapixel AI quad camera, 8MP ultra-wide-angle, 8MP telephoto, and 2MP macro. The ultra-wide-angle camera supports 120-degree field of view. I found the photos a bit too sharp, shooting on macro as close as 4 centimeters. The photos remained true to its original colors and showed great detail. It also features a split-screen camera having both front and back cameras take videos at the same time. The stabilized telephoto supports 5x hybrid zoom and an impressive 20x digital zoom that results in sharp, blur-free photos. You can actually see the software improving the image while saving it. It operates on EMUI 10.1. The Nova 7 is powered by the Kirin 9855G chip with up to 2.58 GHz. It's paired with the Mali G77 GPU with an internal memory of 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. It didn't have any frame drops at all, playing our benchmark Asphalt 9 at its highest graphics setting. You can download this app from Huawei's app gallery. Despite having a quality speaker, I also enjoyed playing with it using Huawei's new noise-canceling FreeBuds 3i to help you stay focused and to hear every detail of the game. It has a 4000 mAh battery which only took about 55 minutes to fully charge and was claimed to reach 75% in 30 minutes with its 40-watt supercharge, and it was pretty accurate based on our results, but we got 60% in 30 minutes. It lasted us a total of 3 days even with the always-on display activated with light to moderate usage. Playing for consecutive hours, we noticed that games only consume 10% of the battery every hour until it reached 50%, then drained faster from there, totaling 8 hours. I wasn't able to experience the 5G because the signal is still virtually non-existent. The Nova 7 also features Petal Search, which is a gateway to more apps that isn't available in the app gallery just yet. And here's the video from Huawei to see how the Petal Search works.
Your gateway to a million apps.
Overall, despite the lack of Google mobile services, you'd barely feel its loss as you can try downloading apps from Huawei's app gallery and the new Petal Search. It may take some getting used to though, downloading apps from these, which may sometimes bring you to third-party applications such as APK Pure or AppTaken. On top of that, the Nova 7 also features 5 cameras, a powerful processor, and 5G connectivity. But to be honest, we barely use the 5G because of the lack of 5G support in most areas of the country. But at least when the time comes, you'd be able to enjoy a better and faster connection at its price point of $23,990. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it on the comment section down below or on our website techandopinion.ph. I'm Alex and I'll see you guys soon.